Welcome back to MacCustoms. Today we're working on this 2014 KFX450. I got the head off here. The customer just had this at another shop and they told him it needed a piston. Anyways, he brought it here and I checked it over, and what I found were the valves were way out of adjustment. So once I got them adjusted properly, the bike would start and run fine, but it was dumping coolant into the engine oil. Where it was leaking was, you can see here, slight discoloration. Right here, I almost got it out, but it was leaky pissing coolant out there by the gasket and into the engine. You can see here, it's still all low. So I've just been cleaning that up with the sanding block. There's fancier ways for sure, but this will definitely work if you know how to use a block. Keep it flat, basically, make an X. And I'm going to install a new gasket kit and put this back together. Bike worked really good once I did the valves, other than that it was filling up with antifreeze. We'll get it all back together and show you how it worked out. I got this Kawasaki put back together here. We just we adjusted the valves and got it going, but the head gasket was leaking. So I flattened out the head with just a regular sanding block. And we got rid of that leak now. Just a piece of wore out 80 grit on the block. New head gasket. Yes, that worked out pretty good for how bad a shape it was in. It had a couple pretty low spots in it. But anyways, it's up and going now. It's not leaking coolant. And starts up good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.